Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Edu Learn to Earn. Today we will discuss about fundamental duties. Fundamental duties होती क्या है? Basically, the fundamental duties in the Indian Constitution are inspired by the Constitution of erstwhile USSR. These were added on the recommendation of Swan Singh Committee for 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act 1976. This amendment added a new part 4A, which consists of only one article, that is Article 51A. Presently, the number of fundamental duties as per the Article 51A is 11, whereas originally at the time of its inclusion in the Constitution, the number was 10. The 11th fundamental duty was added by the 86th Constitutional Amendment Act 2002. According to Article 51A, it shall be the duty of every citizen of India to abide by the Constitution and respect the national flag and the national anthem. The cherish and follow the noble ideas which inspired our national struggle for freedom. To protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India, to defend the country, to promote the spirit of common brotherhood amongst all the people of India, to preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture, to protect and improve the natural environment, to develop the scientific temper and spirit of inquiry, to safeguard public property, to strive towards excellence in all spheres of individual and collective activity. Who is a parent or guardian to provide opportunities for education to his child, or as the case may be, ward between the age of 6 and 14 years, 86 Amendment Act 2002. गाइस, आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस के बारे में जो कि यूपीपीसीएस, आरएएस एंड यूपीपीसीएस में पूछे जा चुके हैं. फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस. क्वेश्चन नंबर वन. द फंडामेंटल ड्यूटी टू अपहोल्ड द प्रोटेक्ट द सॉवरेनिटी, यूनिटी एंड इंटीग्रिटी ऑफ इंडिया इज मेंशन एंड नंबर. कितने नंबर्स हैं जो कि फंडामेंटल ड्यूटी में अपहोल्ड करता है, प्रोटेक्ट करता है सॉवरेनिटी, यूनिटी एंड इंटीग्रिटी ऑफ इंडिया को? तो वो 3 नंबर्स हैं. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन. Under which articles of Indian Constitution provisions for fundamental duties has been made by the 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act? तो Article 51A. It's very simple question. Question number 3. The provisions relating to fundamental duties in the Constitution of India were added on the recommendation of. Obvious सी बात है, ये स्वर्ण सिंह कमेटी के थ्रू ये ऐड किया गया था. Question number 4. When were the fundamental duties incorporated in Constitution? In 1976. गाइस, ये ईयर के क्वेश्चन है, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है जो कि पूछे जाते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Which of the following commissions recommended the inclusion of fundamental duties in the Constitution? स्वर्ण सिंह कमेटी. यूपीपीसीएस बेंस में आ चुका है 2008 में. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. Which of the following were members of the स्वर्ण सिंह कमेटी? ये पूछा है कि स्वर्ण सिंह कमेटी के मेंबर्स कौन कौन थे, उसके नेम पूछा है स्पेसिफिकली. तो AR अंतुलय थे, SS रे थे और CM स्टेफन थे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. The fundamental duties are mentioned in which of the following part of the Constitution of India? ऑब्वियस बात है, पार्ट 4A में. By which constitutional amendment 10 fundamental duties were added in the Indian Constitution for the Indian citizens? 42nd Amendment Act. Question number 9. Fundamental duties of Indian citizens are enumerated in Part 4A of the Indian Constitution. Question number 10. Which article of Indian Constitution enumerates fundamental duties of Indian citizens? Article 51A. Article 51A बात करता है fundamental duties की. Question number 11. Which amendment act included the fundamental duties of citizens in the Indian Constitution? 42nd Amendment Act. Question number. The 10th commandments which were added by 42nd Amendment Act in Constitution of India are called as fundamental duties. In which year fundamental duties of citizens were introduced by 42nd Amendment Act? 1976. These are also some important questions. How many fundamental duties are there in the Indian Constitution? Obviously बात है 11 fundamental duties हैं. Which of the following is not a fundamental duty? To protect monuments and places of public importance. To uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India India to uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India is a provision made in the fundamental duties. So guys, आज इतना ही. अब कल नेक्स्ट चैप्टर पढ़ेंगे तो उसके भी PYQs हम लोग साथ साथ में कर लेंगे. थैंक यू सो मच. प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल.